Hi all, I am K. Surya, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE at SNS College of Technology. So in this video, let us see about a personal area network which is known as Bluetooth. So before going into the details of Bluetooth and its technology, first we need to know why we need Bluetooth. So understanding the user needs is very important. So users don't want complicated setups. So Bluetooth pans allow devices like smartphones, laptops, and wearables to connect automatically and wirelessly. So eliminating the need for cables and technical expertise is needed here. So convenience and for simplicity purposes, uh, we need a device. And next one is modern users are constantly on the move. So whether walking, driving, or working remotely, so Bluetooth bands provide short range communication, typically is up to 100 meters, enabling uninterrupted connectivity without restricting the movement. And another important thing is devices like smart watches and fitness trackers rely on efficient energy usage. So low power consumption is very important here. And next one is users prefer devices that work together smoothly. So, like say wireless earbuds connecting instantly to the phones or laptops, sharing the files with each other. So, Bluetooth pans create a personal digital ecosystem, enhancing the user experience. So, next one is cost effectiveness. So, Bluetooth is widely available and inexpensive to implement, making it accessible for a broad range of devices. So this aligns with users' expectations for affordable technology solutions. So next one is security and privacy. Since PANs are short range and device specific, users feel more secure while sharing the data. So Bluetooth includes encryption and pairing mechanisms to ensure safe communication. So next one, we should know what is Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is a short-range wireless communication technology that allows the electronic devices to exchange data over the radio waves without physical cables, mainly for simple low power and personal connectivity. So it's used to connect nearby devices such as phones, laptops, and accessories. Also, it is designed to replace the short cables with wireless links, and it operates in 2.4 gigahertz industrial, scientific, and medical frequency bands. So different Bluetooth versions exist. Mainly there are two versions. So the first one is Bluetooth Classic, which is BR/EDR, and it's the original version of Bluetooth, which is designed for continuous high reliability data and audio transmission between the devices over short distances. And it supports steady state data and audio streaming between the devices, and also it's a high power consumption and compared to Bluetooth low energy, and it's commonly used in headphones, speakers, keyboards, and computers. Provides moderate data rates for reliable connections. And next one is Bluetooth low energy. It's a power efficient version of Bluetooth, which is optimized for the devices that transmit the small amounts of data intermittently, extending the battery life. So it's ideal for low power battery operated devices like say wearables and sensors, and it supports intermittent or periodic data transfer, and widely used in IoT, smart home, and health monitoring devices. And it maintains connectivity with minimal energy consumption. Next one is the architecture of Bluetooth. So the architecture of Bluetooth defines how devices are organized and communicate within a network. So there are two main types of architecture, which is the piconet and the scatternet. So the piconets are small Bluetooth networks which is formed by at most 8 stations, one of which is the master node and the rest is the slave nodes. So master node is the primary station that manages the entire small network. The slave stations are secondary stations that are synchronized with the primary station. So communication can take place between a master node and a slave node, either one or one to many manner. However, no direct communication takes place between the slaves. So each station, whether master or slave, is associated with say 48-bit fixed device address. So besides the seven active slaves, there can be up to 255 numbers of parked nodes. These are in low power state for energy conservation. The only work that they can do is respond to the beacon frame for activation from the master node. So next one is the scaternet. Scaternet is interconnected connection of two or more piconets. So they are formed when a node is piconet, whether master or a slave acts as a slave in another piconet. So this node is called the bridge between the two piconets, which connects the individual piconet to form the scatter net. Uh, so it extends network coverage beyond a single piconet, and devices can act as a master in one piconet and a slave in another. So it enables communication across the multiple groups of devices, and it's useful in environments where many Bluetooth devices coexist. Next one is Bluetooth devices. So the common types of Bluetooth devices are say in-car headsets, where it allows the users to make and receive phone calls through the car's speaker system without directly using a mobile phone, enabling the hands-free communication. And next one is the stereo headset, where it's used to listen to the music wirelessly from the smartphones, cars, or home audio systems, providing cable-free audio streaming. And next one is the webcam. So a Bluetooth enabled webcam can be connected wirelessly to a laptop or a smartphone for video calls and conferencing. And next one is Bluetooth enabled printers, where it enables the wireless printing by connecting a printer to a mobile phone or a laptop through the Bluetooth without requiring cables or any network connection. And finally, it's the Bluetooth global positioning system, where it allows a smartphone to connect with the car's navigation system via the Bluetooth to provide GPS directions and location-based services. Next is the applications of Bluetooth technology. So it's used in wide, short-range wireless communications across various personal, commercial, and industrial applications due to the low power consumption and ease of use. So it's used in say wireless headsets, speakers, keyboards, and other peripherals for cable-free connectivity. Next one, it enables wireless personal area networks for connecting nearby devices in limited cases. It can support small local networks, and it allows the wireless connectivity between digital cameras and mobile phones for instant photo transfer. And it also supports data transfer such as video, music, photographs, and documents between the smartphones, computers, and other Bluetooth enabled devices. And widely it's used in medical healthcare for patient monitoring devices and wearable sensors. It's also used in military and defense systems for secure short-range communications and equipment interconnection. Next one is advantages and disadvantages of Bluetooth. So it has the advantages of low cost and easy to use wireless technology. It supports wireless connectivity without the cables, enabling quick ad hoc connections between the devices. And also, its Bluetooth signals can penetrate walls and obstacles to a limited extent. It supports both voice and data transmission, making it suitable for audio devices and file sharing, and it's widely supported across smartphones, laptops and IoT devices. And disadvantages are, say, it has security risks and very security threats if proper pairing and encryption are not used, and if it offers lower data transfer speeds when compared to Wi-Fi, and it has limited communication range when compared to other wireless technologies, and its performance may degrade due to the interference in the 2.4 gigahertz ISM band. And hope you understood the and Bluetooth, what is the basics of Bluetooth? So here we saw about the Bluetooth versions, its types. Then we saw about the architecture, two types, and applications, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of Bluetooth. So next one, we'll take up some assessment questions. So the basic Bluetooth network consists of one master and up to seven active slave devices, which is called as a Piconet. What is the name given to an interconnected connection of Bluetooth Piconets? Yes, it is the Scatternet. Thank you for watching this video.